Hello to all wonderful children out there and welcome to 9th episode of ABC, a better change for a better life, presented by Story Labs. Let's get into story. Long ago, very long ago, so long ago, there was a big forest. How big? Very big. Very big and thick forest. And what all were there in the forest? Tell me. Yeah, lions, tigers, elephants, monkeys. Wait. There were many pigeons. Yeah, in our story, there are many pigeons. And in those pigeons, there was one old pigeon, elderly pigeon. And his name was Coco. Coco was very intelligent pigeon. Coco always took very good care of all these little pigeons around. One day what happened? All these little pigeons were just flying around and they saw so much of rice under a tree. All of them were very happy. They were super excited. All of them will fly back to Coco and they'll tell him, Coco uncle, we saw rice there, we are going. Coco will suspect something. He will tell them, wait, little birds, wait, don't go. Somebody should be there to trap you all. Don't go. How can you find rice in the thick forest? Don't go. But these little pigeons, just like us, our mom will tell us not to eat many chocolates. Our dad will tell us not to fight with friends. But do we listen? Tell me. No, right? We will always be mischievous, do some mistakes, and only from those experiences we will try to learn something. Similarly, just like us, even those little pigeons never considered the words of Coco. They all told, Coco uncle, there is rice and you are telling not to eat, go, we are going. And all of them flew so fast to eat the rice. They just went, sat on the ground, immediately, in no time, in just fraction of seconds, all of them are caught into a very big net. All of them. And now they are very scared, very disappointed. And they didn't know what to do. They started crying, oh, Coco uncle told not to come, but we came. Now they didn't know what to do. They just stayed there. Coco suspected something, no? But he's very old. He couldn't fly so fast like these little birds. So slowly he flied and he came to see what happened to these little birds. As he suspected, all of them are lying in the net. Coco is very upset. He came nearby the little birds and said, see, I told you, you will never listen to me. These little birds are very mischievous. How can I save you now? And all these little birds will again start crying, looking at Coco. Coco uncle, please save us. Coco uncle, please save us. Coco will tell them, okay, do one thing, start flying. And all these birds, immediately after Coco says that, they'll start to fly. One in one direction, the other one in another direction. All of them are just rushing into one another. But they didn't move an inch also. Coco will tell them, stop, listen to what I say. All of you should fly in one direction. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. That's it. All these little birds will start flying in one direction. So they'll lift the net and along with the net, all of them will fly. They will straight go to their friend little rat, and their friend little rat will help them come out of the net. Coco feels very happy that somehow he could save all the little birds and none of the birds are harmed. Often in life, people keep advising us, be it our parents, be it our friends, or be it our well-wishers, people keep advising us. And most often, we don't even consider them. Just think, how does it feel for the people who are wishing for our well-being and we just ignore them? Isn't it rude? Isn't it bad? Isn't it something that we'll have to change? Yes. From now onwards, let's consider the advice of our parents or our well-wishers or our friends, because the good advice will always keep us away from the trouble. So we will have to always listen to the people around. Hope all of you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Story Labs for many updates from us. See you all again with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.